Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to change who can see your story on the Messenger app. Whether you want to share your story with everyone, just friends, or a custom list, this guide will walk you through the simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings. After that, scroll down again until you find Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Story Control. Here, you will see three options: Public, Friends Only, or Custom. Choose the option that best suits your privacy preference. Finally, tap Save at the top right corner and confirm by tapping Save Again. That's how you manage who can view your story on Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.